Hey, good morning. Greg Buckley here from Buckley's Auto Care. And this morning, or actually today, just to go clear up a couple things with seeing fluid under your car. Now, there's various reasons why fluids will be under your car. It can be oil, it can be brake fluid, it can be transmission fluid, power steering fluid. Any number of issues can cause a fluid leak, right? From leaky gaskets, water pumps, valve covers, you name it, the whole thing. But one thing that happens all the time, it's condensation from the AC drain tube. And some people will confuse that with a problem or a concern. That's not the case. Condensation occurs and drainage occurs because as the AC system dries the air out in your cabin, that water has to collect, that moisture collects into the housing and then it drains out. So this particular case here, we're underneath of this Cadillac, and as you can see, here's the vent tube. It's see all that water coming out of there? All right, hopefully we're getting it right here. All right, that's normal. In fact, it has to do that. And it's in the middle of the cab, not forward to the engine, and some of them will come to the left, the passenger side of the motor, or the right side, or the middle, depending on where the outlet is. But as you can see, this is normal. If it doesn't do that, water will build up in the box and cause a less efficient system and a worse experience in actually dehumidifying the air. And you might hear some swishing sounds going on, making left or right turns, that kind of thing. That's when your tube could be clogged, and therefore you're going to have a water buildup. In some cases also, it'll overspill into typically the passenger side area, and then you have to have it. Then you have to have the carpet dried out and so forth. But this is normal. And if you see the spots on the ground under the car, that's normal too. All right. Just some ways that you can see with fluid leaking under your car, not to get alarmed. Always see a professional. Make sure it's all solid. But typically, water leaking like that, clear water that is a good thing. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. As always, take care. See you later.